Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those who are visiting my channel for the first time, my name is Rosetta. Today's look is very much wearable for casual days. It's not the heavy makeup and so is suitable even for everyday makeup look. As I stated earlier, it's a wearable look and not heavy. I'm not going to layer too many things today. I will be skipping some steps like color correcting, contouring, but still keeping the look presentable. So let's get set for our tutorial for the day. I have moisturized my face really well, which is a very important step before you apply your makeup. And then I'm taking very little amount of primer and pressing on the areas where I have pores and fine lines, and whatever residue is left, I'm applying it all over my face. Let it sit for some time. Then I'm jumping to the concealer. This is the Maybelline concealer. I'm going to list all the product details in the description box below. I'm applying the concealer on the dark spots, pigmented areas and under my eyes. Now when you're using a concealer under your foundation, always go with a concealer which is exactly your skin tone or a bit deeper than your skin tone. Otherwise, after you apply the foundation, your skin might look ashy. Next, I'm going to be applying my foundation. I'm applying dots all over my face and then blending it with the Damn Beauty sponge. A quick reminder as you watch this, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing guys, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get updates of all my latest videos. Spend time in blending your foundation guys, because that's how you can achieve a flawless and beautiful base. Next, I'm applying some powder to lock the base makeup. Applying very little amount, not too much. And then we will move on to the eye makeup. Starting with my eyebrows, I'm filling the area where I have gaps at the top part, and then I will fill the gaps at the bottom of my eyebrows. While you do this, also brush with your spoolie so that everything blends well. I'm going to keep my eyeshadow very simple today, so I'm picking up this shade. This has a shimmer to it. It's not very visible in the camera. Let me show you the swatch. I love this shade on my lids because it is a close match to my skin tone. It makes my lids look wet and it gives that little shine which I absolutely love. I have already applied concealer on my lids, and then on top of the concealer I'm directly applying this eyeshadow. Apply this all over the eyelids, and then I'm picking up this shade and blending the edges. In small circular motions, I'm blending the edges. Now, taking a darker brown from the same palette, I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line. Then I will use this shade to highlight my brow bones and the inner corner of my eyes. Apply Kajal. Using this brown color shade, I'm going to draw wing, and I am not going to take this all the way to the inner corner. I'm just keeping it at the outer corner and taking it halfway on my lash line. This will help you achieve an elongated eye. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes and use mascara. Coat it nicely and also apply mascara on the lower lashes. Next, I'm going to apply blush, and today I'm not applying blush on the apples of the cheeks because it makes the face look fuller. Since I'm not using contour, I will use the blush to add dimension to my face, and I'm applying the blush on the bones of my cheeks and taking it upwards. This will help the face look lifted. So you can see this side of the face looks lifted as compared to the other side of the face. Now let's finish the other side as well. As always, I'm going to stick with my favorite highlighter and apply it on the cheekbones and other high points of my face. Now for the lips, press it as I am doing in the video, and this will help you to achieve that smooth outline on your lips. Starting from the center, I'm taking it towards the corners. Doing the exact same thing at the bottom. Today I'm going to be combining two colors. This is Darling Isabella lip color, which I got as a free gift from Purple. This is a beautiful shade, but I will use this red color shade with this and apply the red color shade in dots all over the lips. Blend it, and this is how I achieved my desired shade. Now let's lock everything we did on our face, and for that I'm spraying the makeup fixing spray. Loosen my hair and we are ready. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet, guys. I love this look. If you plan to recreate it, my socials are listed below. Do tag me. I would love to see them. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I love you all. Take care of yourselves and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.